Okay, so hope you all are geared up for the next segment of this session. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to enhance customer experiences and drive growth. One such approach that has gained significant traction is the integration of human AI interactions. By combining the strengths of human agents with the capabilities of artificial intelligence, organizations can create more personalized, efficient, and satisfying customer experiences. With us, we have Teja, who's joining us virtually today. Holding 15 plus years of experience, Teja has solved problems in multiple industries and domains such as insurance, banking, and healthcare. His key expertise lie in business analysis, digital transformation, product management, product and business strategy. With extensive experience in building startups from the ground up, Teja has had the opportunity to lead cross functional teams in product design and engineering. He has driven significant revenue growth through the strategic development of innovative features and have also led high performing teams focused on delivering next gen solutions and prototypes, particularly within the insurance sector. His work spans the implementation of large scale digital transformation initiatives for global insurance clients, helping to reshape their approach to technology and customer engagement. Additionally, he serves as an advisor to a hyper local e marketplace startup, offering insights on scaling and strategic growth. Join me in welcoming Teja to enlighten us with his talk. Over to you, Teja.
Thanks, Nidhi. Thanks for the introduction. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Today we will explore how AI and human collaboration can transform the customer experiences. The focus isn't just on using AI for the isolated task, but on how AI can augment human capabilities to create personalized, efficient, and empathic customer journeys. I'm Teja Kancharla, lead consultant at Thoughtworks, and I'll be presenting on the possibilities of human AI collaboration. Let's start by understanding what the customer experience of CX really is. It's a cumulative impact of every interaction a customer has with the business, whether they are exploring your offerings or seeking support or making a purchase. Great CX leads to a higher loyalty, increased advocacy, as well as a better revenue because customers remember how you made them feel in every interaction they had with your business. Now, more than ever, customer experience is crucial because 80% of the customers says that a company says that an experience a company provides is just as important as the product or the services that they offer. But the challenge here is in delivering this personalized, efficient, and empathic experience at scale, especially when we are dealing with a diverse customer base. This is where the AI becomes a game changer. And to truly transform this customer experience, we need to shift from relying on isolated solutions to building seamless customer journeys. So instead of solving only a specific pain points, AI must integrate across the entire customer journey from initial discovery till the post-purchase support, which creates a more cohesive and tailored experience. This is what leads to the lasting relationships and as well as a greater customer satisfaction. Now, the real magic happens when the AI and humans comes together. When I say AI and humans comes together, it's not in competition, but as a collaborators or in collaboration. AI isn't here to replace the human intelligence, but rather to enhance it. That's what I personally believe in. And let's just think AI as a tool that scale the task, like automating the routine jobs, analyzing the vast data sets, or offering the insights that human alone cannot process at that speed that AI can do it. But when we think through, but at the end of the day, it's like humans that brings the empathy, creativity, and the decision making that AI simply cannot replicate. So how these roles are breakdown? Okay. AI basically plays 4 different roles, like AI is an automator, which helps in automating the routine task. or AI as an assistant, assisting the humans or augmenting their capabilities. And AI as a personalizer, basically to tailor the experiences of the users or the customers. And AI as a safeguard, primarily focusing on enhancing the security and compliance. Now you might wonder, like, what does this really look like in an action? Okay. Let's walk through a familiar everyday example like online shopping. I took this as an example because we do this very regularly, and it is also an easy to correlate with how AI can enhance the customer experience at different touch points. Let's deep dive into a simple use case. Okay. Let me introduce you to a Sarah, who is actually a typical online shopper, and she's looking for a perfect pair of red shoes within a budget of $50. This is where the AI steps into and enhance our shopping experience. Let's see how each role of the AI that we discussed, like automator, personalizer, safeguard, or like assistant, helps her along the way of our shopping experience. Sorry. So Sarah wants to buy a pair of red shoes within her budget, but she feels overwhelmed because there are too many options and not sure that where to start. This is where the AI comes into picture. AI automates this product discovery and quickly shifting through the thousand of an options to give Sarah the tailored solutions or the tailored results. Basically, this saves her time and also removes a lot of frustration of manually scrolling through the irrelevant items or the big list of an item that comes normally. By tailoring these suggestions to her preference, uh, this actually saves her a lot of time and also removes the frustration of manually scrolling through the irrelevant. As you see, right, okay, AI drastically fine-tune the product discovery, allowing the Sarah to focus on what she wants so quickly. We have seen that this type of an implementation actually helped many companies in reducing the cart abandonment rate by almost by like 30%. So next, let's go through the next phase where like Sarah browses these options, but she still feels but still she still feels that unsure, like which shoes would be the best fit for her. Okay, she AI has recommended like around 20 options, but she also wants to understand which one will be the best fit for her. This is where the AI personalization helps here. Based on the previous purchases, her choices, or the return patterns, AI provides a personalized choices, further refining her search. By tailoring these suggestions to her preferences and past purchases, AI actually eliminates the lot of Sarah's decision fatigue, making her shopping journey much smoother and also more enjoyable. And now that she has selected a perfect shoe that she feels that will be suitable to her, it's time for her to do a checkout. Okay, Sarah proceeds to the checkout, but if she is using a specific site or an application for the first time, she feels anxious about the security. That's where the AI jumps in. AI actually kicks in, and it actually assured the Sarah about that payment is secure because there is an AI fraud protection in place for her peace of mind. And quickly AI scans the suspicious activity in the real time to ensure that her payment is secure. And if there is no red flags, the transaction will be approved, and that's a relief that now that Sarah can just focus on receiving her order. Here, AI plays the role of a safeguard, reassuring Sarah and ensuring that her transaction is secure without her having to worry about any fraud or any online retail fraud. And there is like uh, many scenarios like implementation of these actually led many companies to reduce their retail fraud by around 30%. And now that Sarah is very excited about the shoes she ordered for her upcoming weekend, but when they arrived, there is a possibility of certain scenarios that they might not like. And similarly, like Sarah felt, the color was not as expected. And she calls the customer care and very anxious because the event that she needs to attend is just in 2 days. A normal return policy or the normal return process might or might not help her to get the shoes. And this is where the AI and human support need to work together to solve her problem. while the human agents trying to respond back to Sarah, iterating like how important it is for Sarah to have the right shoes and assuring her that she can fix it very quickly. The AI quickly analyzes the inventory for finding out the fast shipping alternatives and suggests how they can expedite the shipping or offer a similar item available that in the locally. While AI doing, even though AI did that, but it's a human agent who actually steps in with the empathy to solve the Sarah's time sensitive issue and respond back with an option for expediting the shipping or option to pick up from the nearest delivery center, giving her a relief. This combination of AI speed and data processing with the human agents and human agents understanding and flexibility and understanding, and this provides a flexibility to allow Sarah's problem to be solved both efficiently as well as compassionately, because the human element as involved here, she can show the empathy, and it also assures Sarah that she'll be able to get her shoes on time, and so she will not need not to worry about it. So here AI act as an assistant, helping the human agent by providing the real-time recommendations on how best to handle the situation. And so when we see this in the four different touch points like product discovery, recommendations, checkout, as well as in the post-purchase, AI played a different role. From discovering, from discovering the perfect product to receiving a support post purchase, Sarah's journey is very smoother and faster than ever. AI's instant search, personalized recommendations, the secured out checkout, as well as helpful for the customer service combined to create this tailored experience. But it's not just AI. Human insights and empathy at every critical point ensure that every interactions are personal and supportive. Together, AI and humans deliver the kind of shopping experience that keeps the customer happy, as well as they come back, as well as they advocate about your shopping website to others. And this is another example on how the AI enhances the customer's insurance journey with potential to improve the experience by playing different roles or the multiple roles at every touch point. Earlier, we discussed in the earlier scenario, at each touch point, we discussed about like how AI can play a role, a single role. But it's not that always that AI plays a single role at every touch point. There is also a potential possibility that AI can play multiple roles at every touch point that customer is having with your company. For example, here in the claims processing, AI can play a role of both as an automator for fraud detection as well as a safeguard. And in this, in these use cases that we have observed that AI and humans are actually collaborate across the spectrum. When we say the spectrum, it can be a human only interaction, or it can be AI only interaction, or it can be sequential and collaborative. In simple and routine tasks, AI can do AI handle it through autonomously using an automation. For more complex situation, AI works alongside the humans, providing the insights and the decision support. These partnerships allows for the better accuracy, speed, and personalization, all while keeping the human touch wherever it matters the most. So it's not just AI will be using just to take care of everything, instead combining the AI with the human element. In summary, human AI collaboration delivers several key benefits. While AI brings the consistency, scalability, and efficiency in the customer experience, the humans brings the empathy and the personal touch. And these trends create a transformative customer experience that can deliver value at scale. To truly transform the customer experience, we need to think holistically, as we mentioned earlier, that instead of finding out an idea, pain point and providing an isolated solution, instead, when we think about the complete journey that customer or the complete interaction that customer can have with your company, then it will provide a better experience than building a isolated solutions. And the companies that can successfully integrate AI into their customer journey, not just the isolated points, can deliver an exceptional customer experience than the ones that just build the isolated solutions. Thank you for your time. I hope that now we know how we see like how AI and humans can work together to create a seamless, personalized, and a secure customer experience.